Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best beach cruisers on Amazon. Beach cruisers made a big comeback in the late 90s, and their popularity only seems to be rising since then. The best beach cruisers are known for offering a smoother and more comfortable ride than traditional bikes, all for a more affordable price. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Firmstrong Urban Lady. For those of you after a great beach cruiser on a budget, the Firmstrong Urban Lady is a fantastic choice. It's a simple and well-made bike that packs the most value relative to its price. Comfort is a priority in this model's design, so it comes with an extra wide dual spring cushioned seat, wide handlebars with rubber grips, and balloon tires with white walls. Due to the curved frame, it's the best beach cruiser for women up to 6 feet tall who are looking for something easy to use in the city. While it doesn't have extra features like fenders, baskets, or racks, Urban Lady maintains a high degree of functionality and a very nice look. What we like about it? Easy to set up. Well-positioned handles with comfortable rubber grips. The 15-inch frame fits smaller ladies perfectly. White wall balloon tires for a smoother ride. Color-matching fenders are available for every bike. Number 2. Firmstrong Urban Man. Thanks to its 3-speed gear system and reliable handbrakes, Firmstrong Urban offers a higher level of versatility compared to most standard men's beach cruiser bikes. Because of this, it's among the excellent beach cruisers for any activity from commuting to intense exercise. The Urban bike feels great to ride, offering more than enough comfort to men between 5 feet 4 inches and 6 feet 2 inches tall. The 17-inch frame of the Firmstrong Urban is made from durable steel and combines with the white-walled balloon tires to provide a cushioned feeling. What we like about it? Wide handlebar with soft foam grips. Extra large dual spring comfortable seat. White wall balloon tires for a smooth ride. Available with 1 or 3 speeds. Fits most men well, up to 6 feet 2 inches. Number 3. Sixter's Aero Around the Block Women's. As its name suggests, the Sixter's Aero Around the Block is the ultimate bike for short distances and moving around swiftly. On the other hand, its high comfort level makes it one of the best beach cruisers for handling longer trips too. The wheels are cushioned and wide to make the ride smoother, and the bike is really hard to beat if you plan to use it on flat terrain. The look of this beach cruiser is classy and remarkable. There are over 15 vibrant colors to choose from, and most designs have blacked out details for extra style. What we like about it? Provides a fully ergonomic upright sitting position. Classy and stylish look with blacked out details. Deluxe cushioned saddle for long-lasting comfort. Rear rack for attaching baskets or panniers. Available in more than 15 great-looking colors. Number 4. Sixter's Aero of Ridjourney. The Sixter's Aero of Ridjourney is a bike that can do it all from relaxed rides and commuting to tackling challenging terrain. It won't let you down. Besides the basic single-speed option, you can get this model with 3, 7, and even 21 speeds, depending on where you plan to ride it. Additionally, of Ridjourney is quite the looker and comes in several pastel colors. Made of high-quality aluminum alloy, the frame of this bike is lightweight but very strong. Coupled with wide semi-slick tires and a padded seat, it ensures a safe and enjoyable ride. What we like about it? Dual spring saddle for ultimate comfort. Cushioned semi-slick tires make the ride smoother. Adjustable saddle height for taller riders, up to 6 feet 4 inches. Gorgeous color options with matching fenders. Rear rack for baskets and panniers, optional. Number 5. Schwinn Destiny 24-inch. A slightly smaller frame and tire diameter make the Schwinn Destiny beach cruiser bike ideal for girls and shorter adult women. As a bonus, it's also pretty affordable and goes easy on a budget. On the other hand, the lower price doesn't mean the quality is compromised. All frame elements are made of strong steel, but the smaller size means that you're going to have an easier time carrying it. What we like about it? Steel frame and fork for additional strength. Full-size fenders ensure you stay dry. Rear cargo rack for securing a bag or a basket. Comfortable saddle with springs and extra padding. Lightweight aluminum wheels with color-matching rims. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.